gold-plated barrels, for faster styling and long-lasting result. Pulse technology, gets hot, stays hot. Creates beautiful, shiny looped curls. Care cleaning, spot or wipe clean. High heat up to 430 for all hair types. Comfort grip and extra long cool tip for comfortable styling. The 1.5 gold Flipperless Curling Iron Plus Wand is the complete package with superior features that let you create your favorite looks. Designed with gold technology to promote long-lasting results and fast styling, you can be styled in no time. All that'll be left to do is enjoy your gorgeous locks all day and night. Pulse technology, gets hot, stays hot, maintains consistent temperature so you get perfect consistency in every curl. A high heat reach of up to 430 degrees provides beautiful results for all hair types. Tip: remember to always start at a lower heat setting to help reduce heat damage, then work up if needed. All hair types respond best to different temperatures. Be sure to research what's right for you if you are unsure. A rubberized comfort grip makes it easy to have full styling control. Protect your fingers from the heat with the extra long cool tip. It's also a great place to rest in between styling. Bonus: this curling wand includes a heat-resistant glove. A one-size-fits-most gift for worry-free, added styling protection. Enjoy free range of movement with a 6 feet. Tangle-free swivel cord. Easy from start to finish, simply hit the separate on/off switch, let cool, move the foldaway safety stand and store. With this kind of performance, you won't be able to wait to get to styling every day. Top features: gold-plated barrel for fast styling and long-lasting results. Pulse technology, gets hot, stays hot, maintains consistent temperatures on styling surface to provide a perfect curl every time. High heat reach of up to 430 degrees to provide beautiful results on all hair types and textures. Soft, rubberized comfort grip for styling control. Tip: occasionally, once styling appliance has cooled down, wipe down handle with damp cloth to prolong life even further. Bonus gift included with this styling tool: a one-size-fits-most, heat-resistant glove for added styling protection. Top reviews from the United States. Love it. I have been a constant Lang wand user for several years now. I had the smaller wand, my hair was much shorter and it got the job done. I have been in the market for a bigger barrel, and one of my favorite influencers did a review on hot tools, so I took the jump and got this bigger barrel. It is everything I have been looking for. I am even considering getting the next size up so I can do both sizes of curls in my hair. I love it. It has made curling my linger hair that much easier. Would recommend 100%.